'Cause it's easy, easy like this tutorial. After spending the last 2 weeks making a bathroom makeover and literally building this couch, I decided it was time to make something way more simple. We're going easy this time. I recently fell completely in love with this artist on Instagram, and I thought it would be such a cool idea to remake this kind of painting because it's 3D. It's not really painting even though you're painting. It's separate levels, one attached to the other. Basically, it's dope. I forgot! My name is Nicole. I'm an Italian interior designer in Tel Aviv, and now let's start. You gotta go away to make some space. You're gonna need some wood. We all know that I'm the stingiest person alive, and I'm gonna spend literally $0 to make this painting piece of art using leftovers of my wood and of the paint. But if you have to buy the wood, these little pieces are gonna come out to like $10. It's a very cheap one. What you are gonna be drawing doesn't matter at all because you can be as creative as you want. For the sake of this tutorial, I decided to recreate the original one, so I was keeping the drawing on the side. And after you do that, don't forget to do a little bit of tiny blocks that are gonna make the volume. I have absolutely destroyed my donkey legs in some sort of acrobatic movement priorly to this video. So in case this falls apart while I'm cutting it, that's not how it's supposed to go. I break even more stuff than I actually build. Ta-da! Take out your jigsaw and simply follow and trace every drawing that you created on your board and then cut them out. Go on circles, go straight, whatever you need. Current situation, I knew this was gonna happen. The leg broke. The jigsaw is over there, stuck in this beautiful situation. Cut away even the last ones and the little blocks and you're done. Now I know you have two questions, and that is, Nicole, you did such disgusting cuts on the wood. How do you think you can fix them? And I have two answers. Actually, this is only the first question. It doesn't matter. First of all, you can sand it and it's gonna disappear, but not completely. But reality is that the side where you are not cutting, so if the jigsaw is on the top, is the bottom that is gonna be the super clean part. We also have to sand this a little bit, but it's all with perfect cuts. As you can see here, the difference between the back and the front is massive. We're gonna sand both back and front for the sake of it, but remember, the part that you want on the front is the bottom of where you cut with the jigsaw. Painting time! We're gonna have to do both the back and the front because no, we don't see the back. But because it's 3D from a few angles, I think you are gonna see the sides and the back, and I want this to look professional. So let's paint it. Take out your roller and it's time to cover every single piece in a different color, and don't forget to do the sides. While I show you all the different colors that I applied, it's time to give a shout out to my amazing Patreon subscribers. And that is Asia, that is Leslie, that is Kismet Sarken, that is Leila, that is Aston Thiem, and that is Shalom. Thank you so much! So, we're 1 day later and everything is nice, dry, we're clean. I'm never clean, I'm always covered in paint, so it's worth saying it. And we find ourselves at a crossroad. There's two techniques to apply the volume to our painting. I'm gonna show you both. Option one, that is obviously the simplest, is literally flip your thingy around, get one of the little squares that we did, and use glue. Take out the glue that is glue for wood. Yes, it's a specific kind of glue. Put it on one side of your little blocky that we cut it before. Adapt it on one side and then place it also on the other one and connect the top. That's simple. Then you wait 2 hours for it to dry. But I hate waiting, so let's go to option number 2. Nails. They have to be at least long as much as a sandwich. And a sandwich means the drawing that you're making, the volume that you're putting inside, and the drawing that you have on the top. So that at least the tip of it goes inside the third one, like this. This process is extremely simple. You just need to place a little block in between the two layers that you want. Check that you're screwing exactly in the same spot and not that you're making random holes, and keep drilling. If you make only 1/4 of the messes that I make, I suggest you to stop every once in a while and check that it's coming more or less how you want. If that's the case, continue. Add some screws here and there, add 2 more on the bottom here. I also decided that in some specific areas I didn't want the double layer, and I'm not going to put something in between, so the volume is going to be simply one. So look, you see here, there is literally space in between, and this one I connected it directly on the wood. Also with this one. it literally of every shape, every color. You can actually put your initials, your letters, do whatever you want. But the question is, how do we hang it? No, it's not gonna be enough to put one hook on the back because we created so much volume on the bottom one that if we hook the top one, it's gonna stay in diagonal. So to avoid this situation, we are still gonna use our little volumes. So as you can see here, the volumes that we have are one, the one to block our nail on the wall, two, the back that is the highest, three, the volume in between, and then we have the other back that is gonna attach the wall. So we need three little blockies that we're gonna put on the bottom to keep the same height, one on the top to put our nail. That's what we're doing. Obviously, this is gonna require a way longer screw, and for the top one, we need the normal one. Okay guys, our dope piece of art is done. I cannot wait to go and hang it on my wall. Before I show you the result, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you next Monday.